Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to power off on your Infinix Smart 9. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, you can power off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. Push it long. And now you can power off your phone very easy. But before that, it will appear like this. And if you feel disturbed, you can deactivate it. First thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to Voice menu. Voice voice, click it. Next, you click more settings. Okay, next in this options, activate with power button, you can disable like this. And here you can power off your phone very easy with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. Yep, click power off. Tap to power off. Yep, successfully. And if you want turn on, you can push it long on the power button too like this. And your phone already turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.